am over in Manhattan Village, top of the parking structure, checking out the Chargers practice facility. About 3/4 of a mile away. Don't have my drone to fly today, so just want to see how it looks from here. Otherwise, I have to get special permission. It takes about a week or so before I can get my drone to fly out. But it's looking pretty good. Should be finished in 2024 for training camp. It'd be fun to go to practice, because they currently have them in Costa Mesa, over by Orange Coast College. A little bit hazy, but you can still kind of make out. Oh, there goes the train with downtown LA. But eventually I will get the drone back out there, and I'll get another construction date. Got another construction update out there fairly soon. Alright, so long from El Segundo.